Hi friends, this is Durga Prasad. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today's topic is one of the type of time and work questions. So which type of questions it is means see this type of questions. Either 4 men or 6 women can complete a work in 38 days. In what time 5 men and 2 women can do it? Or this type of questions, few persons, men, women and children will be given to you, and they will complete the work in some days, they will say. And how to deal with this type of questions and all these things we will discuss. But before solving the questions, first we will discuss some basic points here. For example, x-men x-men complete a work in n days. Then x-men 1 day work is equals to 1 by n. Then only one man, 1 day work is equals to 1 by this x value will be goes to right hand side x into n. This is the basic thing you have to know while you are solving the questions. Of course, this is the actual concept, but we will deal with the shortcut techniques also, how to solve this type of questions. See, for example, 12 men complete a work in complete a work in 5 days. Then 1 man, 1 day work, 1 man, 1 day work is equals to what you have to write? 1 by this value multiplication you have to write. 12 into 15. Sorry, 12 into 5. 12 into 5. Like this you have to write. But I told you, so here this is the basic concept you have to remember here. For example, 5 men finish a work in 7 days. 1 man, 1 day work is equals to what you have to write? 1 by 5 into 7. Are you understanding this point? Yes, I hope you understand this point. For example, x-men 1 day work is equals to 1 by 5. That means they will complete the work in how many days? 5 days. They'll complete the work in 5 days. Because 1 day work is 1 by 5 in the sense they will complete the work in 5 days. So here, the question come to the question. We will discuss in two methods. First one normal method, and after that my method we will go. So here 4 men or 6 women can complete a work in how many days? 38 days. Then 1 man, I am writing 1 day work. 1 by 4 into 38. 1 woman, 1 day work is equals to 1 by 6 into 38. Because I already told you this point, 5 men can complete a work in 7 days. Then 1 man, 1 day work is equals to 1 by 5 into 7. So 1 man, 1 day work we are writing, 1 woman, 1 day work we are writing. But the question is, 5 men and 2 women can complete the work in how many days? 5 men and 2 women working together. 5 men means every man 1 day work is 1 by 4 into 38 plus 2 into 1 by 6 into 38. Here 1 by 38 is common. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 38. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 1s are 4. That is 19 by 12. 19 2 times 1 by 24. That means this group of persons 1 day work is equals to 1 by 24. Then they will complete the work in how many days? 24 days. They'll complete the work in 24 days. But without writing all these things, We can solve the question very easily. Very easily. How we will solve the question means, see this method. See this method. M1 D1 is equals to M2 D2 is equals to M3 D3. You knew this because work is same. Because work is same here. Same work. If the work is given to 4 men, they will complete the work in how many days? 38 days is equals to. The same work is assigned to 6 women. They will complete it in how many days? 38 days. Now M3, what is the M3 value means? 5 men and 2 women. 5 men and 2 women. 5 men plus 2 women in how many days? X days, we don't know. This is the method. So here observe this, friends. Take this first one and second one, you will get M is to W. Take this first one and second one. That is 4 men into 38 is equals to 6 women into 38. 38 is got cancelled. After that, men is to women. That is here 3 times and here 2 times. That is ratio is equals to 3 is to 2. This ratio is very important. Here I am saying 38, 38 cancel. Here 3 times, here 2 times. That means men by women is equals to 3 by 2. That's what I am writing. Men is to women is equals to 3 is to 2. Now come to this value. Come to this value. We are taking 1 and 2 here and we got the ratio. Now take in this equation either 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. Anything is okay. 1 and 3 or 2 and 3, you will get the x value. How you will get the x value? Means you have to substitute these values. Sir, we have to substitute in the entire equation means no, not required. Either first one or third one you have to take, or second one or third one you have to take. That's it. First and third you have to take, otherwise second and third you have to take. Then you will get the x value. How we will get it? See, 3 substitute here for example. 4 3s are 12 into 38 is equals to 5 3s are 15 plus 2 into 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 into 2 is 4. That is 19 into x. 19 2 times, x value is 24. That is required time is 24 days. See, we will go through this method only because this method is little bit lengthy while you are solving the questions also. So see here, 2 men, I'll solve in second method only. 2 men complete the work in how many days here? 21 days. Otherwise, 3 women also complete the work in how many days? 21 days. Or 6 children also complete the work in 21 days. 2 men 21, 3 women also 21, 6 children also 21 days. But now what is our question? 3 men plus 2 women and 1 child work together to complete the work. First find out the ratio from these things. First find out the ratio from these things. First to find out the ratio from these things. 21 cancel everywhere. 21 cancel everywhere. Here 2, 3, 6. 2 how many times cancel? 6 times. 3 how many times cancel? 4 times. 6 how many times cancel? 2 times. So that cancel value is right here. That is your ratio. That's it. 2 how many times cancel? 6 times, right? Man value is 6. 3 how many times cancel? 4 times, right? 4 here. 6 how many times cancel? 2 times, right? 2 here. Now come to our methods. That is either you have to write first one and third one, or second one and third one. Sorry, first one and fourth one, second one and fourth one, or third one and fourth one. Any one you have to take. these two combinations or these two combinations or these two combinations you have to take, then you will find out the x value. Observe this. Man value, how much you have to substitute? 6. 2 into 6, 12 into 21 is equals to. Now come to this value. 3 men, 3 into 6 plus 2 into 4 and 1 into 2. 3 6 are 18, 2 4 are 8, that is 26 total, plus 2, 26 plus 2, 28 into x. 7 cancel 3 times, 7 cancel 4 times, 4 cancel 3 times. Then x value is equals to 9. 3 3s are 9. That is number of days is equals to 9 days. See this, friends. I'm not saying this question in normal procedural method. We will use the same method here also. The same method what we are taking here, and in the previous question, this one, see this one, this one. We will apply the same method here also, and we will get the answer. I'm not writing like this: 2 men and 3 women, 1 day work is equals to 1 by 8, and 3 men and 2 women, 1 day work is equals to 1 by 6. After that, we have to make men values as same, women values as same. I am not doing this one. I'm not going to do this method. Why? Because this method is lengthy and it will not be useful for your competitive examination calculations. So here, this 2 men and 3 women, they are working together and they complete the work in how many days? 8 days. And these 3 men and 2 women can complete the work in 6 days. See here, 2 men, 3 women work together. They complete the work in 8 days. And 3 men and 2 women complete the work in 6 days. Now, what is our question? What is our question? Question is 1 man and 6 women do it in how many days? X days. Now come to first two values. First two values. What is this first two values means? These two values. Don't expand it again. Don't expand it again. Directly write the values. And that means 8 into 2 is 16 men plus 8 3s are 24 women is equals to. That expansion is not required. Come to men value here. From these two, come to men value here. What is the men value here? 2 into 8, 16. 6 into 3, 18. 16 men and 18 men. What is the difference? 2 men is equals to 8 3s are 24 women, 6 2s are 12 women. 24 and 12. 24 and 12. Difference is what? 12 women. That means men is to women, 6 is to 1. Men is to women, 6 is to 1. Now substitute the same values. Substitute the same values and you will find out the answer is what? Substitute the same values. So where you have to substitute? I told you after finding this ratio, either you have to take first one and third one or second and third one. That is your wish. You can do whatever you want. See, I am taking second value now. 3 into 6, 2 into 1. 3 6 are how much value? 18 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 18 plus 2, 20 into 6 is equals to 6 ones are 6. This is 6. This is 1. 6 plus 6, 12 into x. 6 2 times, 2 10 times. That is number of days is equals to 10 days. See, after solving this type of questions, you won't take more time to solve it. Because once you understand what you are doing here, you will not write this equation also you will not write after some time. After some time, same question if you are solving while you are solving the questions. Observe this one. I'll say it is very normal. You just see this one. 4 into 12 you have to multiply. 48 men. 10 into 6 is what? 60. 48 and 60. 12 men is equals to 5 into 12. 60. 10 into 4. 40. 60, 40. 20 women. That means men is to woman is equals to 5 is to 3. Is this clear? Now, what we will do? Now what we will do? Observe this. Observe this. See, I'm saying to you 4 into 12, 48, 10 into 6, 60. That is about men. 48 men, 60 men. Keep it in mind. First one is 48 men and second one is 60 men. Difference is what? 12 men is equals to 12 into 5. Come to women. 12 into 5, 60 women. 10 into 4, 40 women. Difference is what? 20 women. So men is to women is equals to what? 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. Now substitute in first one and third one. Substitute in first one and third one. 4 into every man is 5 persons. 4 5s are 20. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15. See, we are generally taking that is normalization. We are not taking men or women after taking the ratio. What we are thinking is that is people or some guys are working. That means every man is equals to 5 guys and every woman is equals to 3 guys or 3 persons you can take. Now 4 men are working means 4 5s are 20 persons are working or 20 guys are working. 5 into 3, 15 guys are working. This is 20, this is 15. Totally 35 guys are working. Otherwise, 35 persons are working. They complete the work in 12 days. Is equals to now 5 men and 1 woman. 5 into 5, 25. 25. 1 into 3, 3. 25 plus 3 is what? 28. How many days? 7 cancel 5 times. 7 cancel 4 times. 4 cancel 3 times. X value is equals to 5 into 3, that is 15. X value is equals to 5 into 3, that is 15. X value is equals to 15. Number of days is equals to 15 days. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is Quantitative Aptitude by Durga Prasad. Thank you very much.